Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is March 26th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, we had a good day here at the Oil Trading Group. This is day 2 of our $100,000 Top Step Trader Trading Combine. You can see here that we are up $951, really $951.40 after 2 trading days. Let's take a look at how we did today. We made $475 on our ES trades. We lost $220 on our CL trades, and we were a commission of $96.20. That gave us a total of $158.80 here today. Now, on the CL, it was choppy conditions, and when these conditions are choppy like this, it does make for a little bit of difficult opportunity for us here today. If you take a look here at your ETH session, we were at 70 total ticks, right? You can see this, we're at 70 total ticks on the range today. If you come back and look at kind of the time that we normally trade in, we had 61 ticks. Again, that's in contrast to yesterday's really more expansive range. In fact, it was about double what the range was today. We were at 118 ticks yesterday. We had that really good short off the VWAP. Anyway, that is where we were today. So again, these choppy conditions gave us a little bit of a problem on the CL. We were down 22 ticks. Total on the CL today. However, we did really well on our ES trade. So let's talk about the ES trade here. It was a $750 ES trade today. We had a 2-point stop or 8 ticks, and we ended up, well, let's do it this way. We had a $200 stop, and we had a $750 target, and that would give you about 3.5 to 1 reward to risk, 3.75 to reward to risk ratio. So again, a very strong reward to risk ratio. What we did in here today is what we always do. We use our levels and the information that's given to us here to take an opportunity. We came down, closed below VWAP, and we went down and broke the level down here at the structure signal. So again, the way that we kind of see the world is if we can't make it to the level above, we'll make it to the level below, and we did that in 2 instances here on the daily structure target and also the signal. Once price came down, checked the daily structure signal, closed below VWAP. We used this VWAP as an idea for us to get short. Now, what we were looking for as an extended target was right down here to the ETH session open price, and that happened to be right where it stopped. In fact, we talked about 09 really in the trade room. So we were looking to carry it down from 25 to 09. It comes down, rallies back up into the structure signal. Again, can't get to the level above, so you think it's going to go to the level below, and that's exactly what it did. It came down, would have taken us out. As it were, we did come down from 25, which was our entry, off of the VWAP up here at 25. It gave us a little bit of heat before it then came on down for 7.5 ES points. And again, that was our trade of the day. So you can see we were down just a few ticks on the ES as well. We ended up on the day with that really nice ES trade. So again, we're up $951 after 2 days on our $6,000 goal on this 100K trading combine. So again, very good progress. We're about a third of the way through. Sorry, a sixth of the way, right? Sorry, 1/6 of the way through after 2 days. So again, we have as long as we want and as long as we need. So again, steady progress is really all that we're trying to get here against this trading goal, and that is the way it is. The video I want to show you today here, I go through these videos and show you these things so that you can see that even though we were down ticks leading into that trade and down ticks overall on the day, one single winning trade with a very good reward to risk ratio, in this case about 3.5 to 1, will allow you to get out of the hole and get positive for the day. So again, these big trades, like if you saw yesterday, we were at a very good reward to risk ratio yesterday on the CL. Today we had a very good reward to risk ratio on the ES. You don't have to have a high winning percentage. And in fact, yesterday was a one and done trade. Today, this was our biggest winning trade. And after all is said and done, the winning percentage may not have been very high today, but the reward to risk ratio is in line. And the way that we go about finding these reward to risk ratios is we use these levels for our entry and our targets, right? And that is basically what we did here today. So with all of that being said, I'm going to show you the ES trade. I'm going to show you where we get in. I'm going to show you how we manage it. I'm going to show you how we ended up with that $750 trade of the day. So again, if you're accustomed to watching the videos in here, you know kind of how it works. We show you the video, let you hear how it is, where we got in, what we're using for our stops, what we are looking at for our targets, and then I speed up the tape, put a little music behind it, and then I let you see where it is that we got out. And what I want you to do is pay attention to this area up here at the very top of the screen so you can see how this area, the results basically of the trades, how they end up showing you in the trade room and how they end up showing you exactly what you see on the screen here now. So having said all of that, I'm going to stop talking now and let you watch this OTG ES trade of the day. I'm in 0-0 short on the ES. 07 quarter is the stop. We're going to look at this structure mid as a potential target. All right, so 27 in at 25 on the ES. 27 quarter short target is the structure signal at 1575 or the structure mid at 15.